Many people are facing an issue on Discord where the microphone is not showing up in the input devices. In today's video, we will cover this issue comprehensively. Note, I have made a video on this before and it has been working for many people, but in this video, we will cover it with an additional method. So without skipping, watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will check if our microphone is allowed for recording. You can easily check this in the setting of your window. Just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, and here you need to find the microphone settings. You can search for the microphone privacy settings, where you can see this option should be enabled, and if your Discord is appearing over here, make sure to check this option on, and also check this option on. After doing this, just close this file, close this setting. And now, secondly, before using this method, make sure your microphone is working. You can check this by going to the control panel, then to hardware and sounds. Just click on the Windows icon, then type here for control panel and open it. Now hardware and sound. Once you open this small window, now make sure go into the recording device, and now you can see I'm speaking and the microphone is monitoring. So if this is working fine, that's mean your microphone is working. Otherwise, you can just make sure your microphone is not working or connected properly. So check it out. Step number 3, if everything is fine till now, let's move on to fixing it. First, you need to uninstall your Discord and restart your PC. So for uninstalling your Discord, just click on the Windows icon, type control panel, and then here you can see uninstall a program. Make sure set view by category and find here the Discord. Just right click on it and uninstall it. After uninstalling, just restart your PC. It's important. Now next, we will go to the device manager and uninstall all the audio input adapters one by one. Just right click on this PC, go into the properties, and then on the left side you will see here the device manager. Just open it. Once you open this, you will see here the audio input and output. Just expand it and uninstall one by one. I'm not doing this because right now I'm using a lot of adapters from these, so not gonna uninstall all of these, but don't worry, this will not make any difference. You can restart your PC and your adapters will be back, or just click here scan for hardwares and your adapter will reinstall automatically. After doing this, now make sure to update your audio drivers. Now Realtek audio drivers are the best audio drivers. You can download those, link is given below in the description, or you can download the CC Cleaner trial version, professional trial version, which will allow you to download the drivers in 14 days. So you can update your drivers and uninstall the CC Cleaner if you don't want. After that, reinstall your Discord and your problem will be fixed 100%. Now for reinstalling the Discord, everybody should know that you can download the Discord again from the Discord official website. Just search on Google and you will get here the link. Just go on the download or just click here download for Windows and install it. After doing this, your problem should be fixed 100%. Now, if your problem has been solved, kindly subscribe to this channel. It gives me encouragement through your appreciation, and I'll keep posting more tutorials. If you are facing any other issue, please drop a comment in the comment section. I'll try to make a tutorial on it as soon as possible. Until then, take care. You are really awesome. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.